Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the previous video, we have seen how to create a Flask app from scratch, and in this video, we will be creating routes for the registration form as well as login form. Okay, without any further delay, let's get started to our video. Alright guys, now we will create our route for the registration. So that we'll create app.route here, and we'll make route name as admin register here, and we are also adding some methods like here the data is sending from the front end to the back end, so that method should be post here, and instead of the function name I'll be making it as admin register here. Okay, now I'll be creating one database named admin here. For that, first I'll make all users equals to mongo.db dot. I'll make it as admins here. This mongo comes from this here, and then now before registering, make sure that only the email id should be unique here, so that first we'll find whether the email id is present in our database or not. So that we'll make user equals to all users dot, it is find one, and we'll make email as it is sent through the JSON format, so we'll make it as request dot JSON of, and we'll make it as email here. Similarly, we will also find like the company name as well as the phone number also should be unique, so that I'll be just copying and will paste two times, and here we'll make it as company name, and here it should be the company name, here also it should be company name. Similarly, I'll make it as phone number also here, it should be phone, here it should be phone. This is that if any of these three exist, then we should return an error here, because all this username, that is email id, company name as well as the phone number should be unique in our database. We will make a condition like if user, we will return an error like in the JSON format, and the message should be like email id already exist, and we will make status as 401 here, that defines that this is an error. Similarly, I'll just copy and I will do it for both company name as well as the phone number here. Now we should also confirm in the registration form whether the password or confirm password should be the equal, so that we'll make condition like if request.json password not equals to the request.json, I'll make it as confirm password as C password here. If this password and confirm password are not equal, we'll return an error here. I'll just copy it, I'll paste it here. We'll make message as password is not matching here, and also we'll make status as 401 here, that means this is an error. Now I will save it. Now our next step is to bicrypt all these passwords here, because we don't want password open here, we want this password bicrypted here, so that we'll has the passwords here. We'll hash password equals to bicrypt, but there is one hash password function here, we'll call it, and we'll be giving our main password here in the JSON for request.json password. First of all, we should encode it here in the format like UTF-8, and we'll be hashing with a some salt number, like we can call it as, there is a keyword like gensalt here for the bicrypt dot gensalt. Now this password is hashed. Similarly, we'll be doing it for the confirm password also. I'll make it as hash C password. Similarly, I'll make it as C password here. Now this is for the confirm, this is for the password, and this is for the confirm password here. Now the other thing is like we have to create a token here. We'll make it as access token, and there is a module like create access token that we have imported previously, and we have to give identity for this here. Identity equals to should be the unique, like in our registration form we can give either username, company name, or phone number. We'll make it as email id for now, request.json, and we'll give like email id here. Okay, now we will all insert this into our database. It is easy. We'll make all users dot, there is a keyword like insert here. Insert it in a JSON format. It is very simple. It is first we will enter email, request.json. Similarly, we'll be doing it for company name, phone number, password, and confirm password. Now also we will be inserting our tokens here, but tokens will be inserting as a nested here. Here first we'll make it all tokens here, and inside we'll make one list, that is nested list here. And inside that we'll again create one dictionary format here, that is a JSON format, and inside that we'll be inserting a token here. We'll make it a string format here, and we'll provide access token for this here. Okay, up to now we are good. Then this function should be returning something like positive status here. We will return like, will JSON format, will be returning our token here. Token equals to, we'll make it a string format, and access token. If we get token as our output, then all this is working good, and the database, the data is stored in our database, and it is working good. So that we'll make it status as 201 here. Now I'll be saving it. Now what I'll be doing is like, first I'll be going to our website. I'll just refresh it. Now here we got an error like expression might be drive base station. So that what we'll be doing is, first we'll move over, we'll stop this, and again Flask run. Here we got an error. Here we can see that unexpected key method. We'll go to our website. Here it should be methods, I think so. Now I'll save it. Now again we'll run our command Flask run. Now we'll go to our website, and I will refresh it. Now it is working good. Now to test this function or this app, this route, what we'll be doing is, I'll be opening the one software called Insomnia. Okay, now using this software is very simple. First we should just copy this URL, and we'll paste it here. Make sure that it is post method, and also make sure that we have selected JSON format here. Now we'll just open bracket. First one is like email. We'll provide event like abc@gmail.com. And then we'll be providing company name. We'll be just copying and pasting all this. It will be easy. Okay, here I have entered all the data here. Now I'll be clicking the send button here. Here if you see, the output is like that, it is written the token here. Now if I go to our backend, I'll be closing it. If I go to the browse connect collection, here we have mentioned our e-website Flask here, and instead that we select the admin database here. Okay, here we can see the email ID, company name, phone number, passwords are hashed here, so that we cannot see what user has entered password here. And also we can see what token has generated here. In the tokens there is one object. If you expand this object, here we can see the token is generated here. It is very lengthy. In this way we can store all the data from the user input to the database in this format. Alright guys, in this video we have seen how to create a Python Flask app, and also we have fetched the data from the uh, registration form and we have stored it in the database. And the next video similarly we will be doing it for the login form, but in the login form first we will be checking whether the user had registered or not. If not registered, we will be showing it as an error, and then if user has registered, then we will be entering into the login form. And similarly we also see how to create a logout form. That is, if the user press the logout button, the user should be logged out from the app. We'll also see in this way. And yeah, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also thanks for watching. We'll meet in the next video.